To change currency in Moomoo. Follow these easy and quick steps. Start by opening the Moomoo app and clicking on the straight option at the bottom of the screen. This will open a page displaying the total assets amount. Under this section, find the menu bar and look for the currency exchange option. If it's not immediately visible, swipe right to locate the currency exchange button. Once found, click on it to open a new screen. From the top bar, select the currency you want to exchange by clicking on it, which will open a drop-down menu. Choose the desired currency, such as SGD. Enter the amount you want to exchange, and the equivalent amount in the other currency will be displayed. After entering the amount, scroll to find the Submit option and click on it. You will then be prompted to confirm the transaction. Click on the Confirm button to complete the currency exchange.